Home, home, home. Home is a place where you live. It is your house or apartment. You sleep at home. You eat at home. Your family is at home. Home is a comfortable and safe place. It is not just a building. Home is where you feel happy and relaxed. You can say, I am at home, or I go home. Home is very important for everyone. I am at home now. She goes home after work. My home is in Baku. They feel comfortable at home. Welcome to our home. Home. A place where you live. Homeless. Without a home. Homework. Schoolwork you do at home. Hometown. The town where you were born. Homemade. Made at home. Homecoming. Returning home. At home. Go home. Come home. Stay at home. Feel at home. Home sweet home. Make yourself at home. My perfect home. My home is in a quiet neighborhood in Baku. I live with my parents and my younger sister. Our home has 4 rooms, a kitchen, and a small garden. My bedroom is my favorite place at home. I study and relax there every day. When I come home from university, my mother always prepares tea. We sit together in the living room and talk about our day. On weekends, my father cooks homemade food in the kitchen. The smell fills our home with warmth. Also do my homework at home every evening. Sometimes my friends visit, and I always say make yourself at home to them. Our home is not very big, but it is comfortable. I feel safe and happy here. For me, there is no place like home. Great job! You learned the word home today.